Kiev, which was trying to get foreign fighter aircrafts, again disadvantaged when several of its Sukhoi fighter jets directly knocked out again at the airfield in a strong Russian attack. This is not a rumor by a satellite image. Russian military correspondent released footage on June 12, 2024, of the destruction of the fuselage at the headquarters of the Su-27 air superiority fighter jets of the 831st Tactical Aviation Brigade of the Ukrainian Air Force, which is at Myrhorod Air Base, a settlement located in Poltava region in central Ukraine. It is no secret that Russian reconnaissance drones feel comfortable in the rear of the armed forces of Ukraine, 160 kilometers ahead of the Russian armed forces front line. The result of the next sortie was the downing of several enemy Su-27 UB jets by Iskander-M tactical missile system. Despite the usual chatter by next-door neighbors, based on the radio interception results established, a fighter jet could not be recovered, had been turned into a sieve by the rocket's fragmentation warhead. Unfortunately, the another two fighter jets in storage were damaged in this attack, and will not be operational anytime soon. On June 10, a Su-25 attack jet of Ukraine, stationed at Dolgintsevo Airfield in Krivoy Rog in Dnepropetrovsk region, was knocked out in a powerful kamikaze UAV attack. The Russian Defense Ministry released footage of a cheap Lancet drone costing around $30,000 being exchanged for a fighter jet costing $11 million, at a time when Kiev is facing a shortage of fighter jets and a deep financial crisis. In this case, it can be seen that the wing and engine areas appear to be burning from a thermal camera after being precisely hit by Lancet. Somehow Ukraine parked these valuable assets as if there was no war going on.